History remembers many kings, but only one under the title, the Great, while still in his early 30s. Alexander III of Macedon was more than a conqueror. He was a dreamer who believed the world was not divided by borders but connected by ambition, courage, and knowledge. Born in 356 BC in the ancient city of Pella, Alexander grew up under the guidance of one of history's greatest philosophers, Aristotle. While other princes learned how to rule kingdoms, Alexander learned how to question the world. He studied science, literature, medicine, and philosophy, believing that true strength came from both the mind and the sword. At just 20 years old, Alexander inherited the Macedonian throne after the assassination of his father, King Philip II. Many enemies expected the young ruler to fail. Instead, he united Greece, strengthened his army, and prepared for a campaign that would change the course of civilization. Alexander crossed into Asia with fewer soldiers than the Persian Empire could gather. Yet he relied on speed, strategy, and fearless leadership rather than overwhelming numbers. He fought beside his men, sharing their hardships and proving that a leader should stand in the front line, not behind it. One city after another opened its gates or fell in battle. From Asia Minor to Egypt and from Mesopotamia to the mountains of Central Asia, his victories reshaped the ancient world. In Egypt, he founded Alexandria, a city that later became one of the greatest centers of learning, trade, and culture. Unlike many conquerors, Alexander admired the traditions of the lands he entered. He encouraged cooperation between different cultures and welcomed scholars, engineers, and artists into his expanding empire. His vision was not only to win territories but also to connect civilizations through shared knowledge and commerce. His greatest challenge came as he marched toward the Indian subcontinent. After years of continuous battles, his exhausted soldiers refused to go farther. Alexander accepted their decision, showing that even the most powerful ruler could not ignore the will of those who stood beside him. On the long journey home, he dreamed of exploring Arabia and building new trade routes. However, in 313 BC, at only 32 years of age, Alexander died in Babylon under mysterious circumstances. His empire was divided after his death, but his influence remained alive. Today, more than 2,000 years later, Alexander's legacy is measured not only by the lands he conquered but also by the ideas he spread. New cities, cultural exchange, and the blending of civilizations helped shape the Hellenistic age, leaving an impact on history that lasted for centuries. Alexander the Great proved that true greatness is not simply about defeating enemies. It is about daring to imagine a larger world, inspiring others to pursue impossible goals, and leaving behind a legacy that outlives a lifetime. Even today, his story reminds us that history is written by those who refuse to accept the limits of their own horizon.